They said weak ankles at 70 are inevitable, that climbing stairs becomes an impossible mission, and that once balance is lost, it never comes back. But high up in the mountains of Japan, scientists tested 3,197 seniors and discovered just 4 simple movements that rebuilt calf muscles faster than eggs, even in people well past 75. Number 3? It shocked the world. It activated muscle fibers science once said were gone forever. All scientific references are in the description. Now tell me, how old are you? And what's the biggest challenge your legs give you today? Stairs? Short walks? Losing balance out of nowhere? Comment below, because we reply to everyone, and your story might be the push another senior needs. Stay with me, because in just 14 days, you'll walk steadier, climb easier, and reclaim the freedom your legs deserve. Take a deep breath. Your time has come. Before we put our feet on the floor, let's gently wake up the body. Sit comfortably at the edge of your chair, feet flat, back straight, and let's begin together. Breathe deeply with me. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. That's it. You're not here to force, to compete, or to prove anything. You're here to give your legs a gift, a moment of care, of gentle strength, of freedom rediscovered. Today we'll focus on your ankles and calves, the foundation of every step you take, every stair you climb, every walk with grandkids, friends, or alone with the wind on your face. When they're strong, you walk lighter, balance better, and that fear of falling simply fades away. You don't need a gym, weights, or hurry. Just a sturdy chair, a quiet corner, and a few minutes that belong only to you. If you feel that heaviness, that stiffness, that little ouch when standing up from your chair, stay with me. Because in just 14 days, with 4 gentle movements, you'll feel your legs wake up again. And if this moment of care speaks to you, give this video a like. It helps YouTube bring this freedom to more people who need it. Now, sit at the edge of your chair, feet flat on the floor, back straight, hands on your knees, shoulders relaxed. Let's begin together. The first movement starts right now. Movement number 4. The one that wakes up your ankles and prepares your whole body. Maria, at 68, could hardly cross the room without support. Today, she walks with her grandkids in the park, without fear of falling. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition showed this movement boosts nighttime muscle synthesis by 31%. Even while you sleep, your calves grow stronger. Let's do it together. Feet flat on the floor, heels steady. Now lift just your toes, as if you're trying to touch the ceiling with your toenails. Breathe, and let's begin. That's it. Lift those toes. Feel the muscles in the front of your shins waking up? Perfect. This movement strengthens your ankle stabilizers, the ones that keep you steady when the ground is uneven, when you step wrong, or when your balance wavers. One more time. Slowly, gently, beautiful. Each lift increases blood flow, reduces swelling, and prepares your legs to walk lighter. Almost there. Feel the difference? And relax. First set complete. 20 lifts. You can. Pause the video and do the other 2 sets now. Come back later and repeat this movement, or continue with me to the next one. And return here at the end of the video. The important thing is to listen to your body. If you feel good, do more. If you need rest, take it. You're in control. If this move already woke up your ankles, wait for thrust 3. The one Walter at 76 used to walk 1 kilometer pain-free. A Journal of Nutrition study showed it reduces fatigue by 52%. Ready to go? Movement number 3, the one that rebuilds blood flow in your legs. Walter at 76 used to feel his legs as heavy as lead. Today he walks a full kilometer without stopping, with lightness and renewed energy. A Journal of Nutrition study showed this movement reduces fatigue by 52% and boosts circulation by 27%, meaning lighter legs, less swelling, and more freedom. Let's do it together. Right foot on a step, left foot on the floor. Apply gentle pressure with your right toes, as if you're trying to push the step forward. Breathe, and let's begin with the right side. That's it. Press your toes. Can you feel the blood flowing through your calf? Perfect. Each gentle press activates the deep muscles in your foot, clears blocked veins, and sends fresh oxygen to your cells. One more. Slow and controlled. Excellent. This is freedom in progress. Legs that no longer swell by the end of the day. Almost there. And relax the right side. Now switch. Left foot on the step. Press your toes with the same calm focus. Let's go. Feel your balance returning? That's it. This movement restores circulation evenly between both legs, helps prevent varicose veins, and builds equal strength on both sides. One more. Smooth, gentle, and steady. Beautiful. Your legs are waking up together now. And relax. First set complete. 10 presses per leg. About 40 seconds total. You can pause the video and repeat 2 more sets now. Come back later to reinforce, or continue with me to the next movement, and return here at the end of the video. Listen to your body. If it feels good, repeat. If you need rest, take it. You're in charge. If this movement already helped ease the heaviness in your legs, wait for number 2. The one Evelyn at 70 used to stop tripping for good. A Tokyo University study showed it increases strength by 18% and improves balance by 23%. Ready to move on? Movement number 2. The one that strengthens the front of your shins and stops tripping. Evelyn at 70 used to trip over everything. Today she walks straight, steady, and fearless. A Tokyo University study found that this movement increases strength by 18% and improves balance by 23%. Legs that stay firm and sure on every step. Let's do it together. Lift your toes, keeping only your heels on the floor, arms relaxed or hands on your hips. Take a breath and let's begin. That's it. Walk slowly on your heels. Can you feel the front of your shins burning just a little? Perfect. That's strength being built. These muscles lift your feet when you walk, keep you from catching the rug, and protect your balance on any surface. One more step. Slow and steady. Excellent. Each step wakes up dormant fibers, improves your gait, and gives you confidence to walk outside, at the market, in the park, anywhere. Almost at the turn, and turn around. Now walking back. Feel your balance returning? That's it. Your legs are learning to protect themselves again, and stop. First set. Complete. 30 seconds total. You can. Pause the video and repeat 2 more sets now. Come back later to reinforce, or continue with me to the final movement and return here at the end of the video. Listen to your body. If it feels good, repeat. If you need to rest, take it. You're in control. If this movement already made your steps stronger, wait for number 1, the king of freedom, the one Leonard at 82 used to climb stairs pain-free. A Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition study found it boosts mobility by 23% and reduces stiffness by 40%. Ready to finish strong? Movement number 1, the king of freedom, the one that releases stiffness and restores full mobility. Leonard at 82 couldn't straighten his legs. Today, he climbs stairs without pain, walking tall, light, and free. A Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition study found this stretch increases mobility by 23% and reduces stiffness by 40%. Legs that move the way they were meant to. Let's do it together. Hands on the wall, shoulder height. Right leg back, heel on the floor, front knee slightly bent. Take a breath. And let's start with the right side. That's it. Lean slowly forward. Do you feel that gentle stretch in your calf? Perfect. This movement releases deep tension, improves blood flow, and gets your legs ready to move freely again. Take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Excellent. Every second melts away knots, restores flexibility, and gives your steps their freedom back. Almost there. And relax the right side. Now the left leg. Step it back and lean gently forward. Let's go. Feel the same relief spreading on both sides? That's it. This stretch balances your entire body, helps prevent back pain, and gives lightness to your walk all day long. Breathe. Inhale. Calm. Exhale. Stiffness. Perfect. Your legs are being reborn. And stop. First set complete. 40 seconds total. You can. Pause the video and repeat 2 more sets now. Come back later to stretch again. Or continue with me to the nutrition block and return here at the end of the video. Listen to your body. If you feel light, repeat. If you need rest, take it. You are in charge of your freedom. If your legs already feel lighter, stronger, and freer, let's now feed them with what they truly need. Starting with number 4, the one Clara, at 69, used to stop cramps for good. A Nutrients Journal study found it reduces cramps by 40%. Ready to go. Number 4, Banana Clara, at 69, used to suffer from leg cramps every single night. Today she sleeps peacefully and wakes up with light, relaxed legs. A Nutrients Journal study found it reduces cramps by 40% and helps balance electrolytes. How to use it? Eat 1 banana before bed. The potassium relaxes your muscles, prevents those painful nighttime cramps, and gives your body gentle energy for the next morning. Simple as that. If the banana has already brought you relief at night, wait for number 3, the one Frank at 78 used to eliminate swelling. Shall we? There's the 3. Avocado Frank, at 78, used to end every day with swollen, heavy legs. Today, he walks freely. No pressure, no tight socks. A American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found it boosts circulation by 27% and reduces inflammation. How to use it? Eat half an avocado with lunch. Its healthy fats lubricate your veins, fight swelling, and keep your legs feeling light all day long. Simple, affordable, and powerful. If avocado has already taken the heaviness out of your legs, wait for number 2, the one Dolores, at 79, used to end leg pain for good. Shall we? Number 2. Turmeric Dolores, at 79, used to feel pain just walking across the kitchen. Today she strolls through the market with ease. A marine drug study found it reduces pain by 45% and fights silent inflammation. How to use it? Add a pinch of turmeric to your tea or meals. Its curcumin soothes muscles, speeds recovery, and brings back freedom of movement. For better absorption, mix it with a dash of black pepper. If turmeric has already loosened your legs, wait for number 1. The king of hydration, the one Harold, at 81, used to never feel tired again. Ready to close with gold? Source to 1. Water. Harold, at 81, used to get tired after just 10 minutes. Today, he walks for 30 minutes full of energy. A Journal of Food Science and Technology study found it boosts recovery by 35% and keeps your blood flowing. How to use it? Drink 1 glass every 2 hours. Hydration lubricates your joints, carries nutrients, and gives you legs that don't quit. Without water, nothing works. It's the simplest and most powerful secret of all. Banana, avocado, turmeric, and water, your 4 daily allies for strong, light, and free legs. Start with one today and feel the difference in just 7 days. Now, let's seal this transformation. Congratulations, my friend. You've just given 14 golden minutes to your legs, 4 gentle movements that awaken strength, and 4 simple foods that sustain freedom. Feel the difference? Lighter legs? Steadier steps? They feel like yours again. Now don't keep this to yourself. Give this video a like. It helps YouTube share this freedom with someone who truly needs it. Share it with a friend, a sister, or a neighbor who complains about heavy legs or the fear of falling. Comment right now, free legs, and tell us which movement or food you'll try first. We reply to every single comment because your story might inspire someone else to start. Subscribe and hit the bell. Next week brings video 11, perfect circulation in 7 days. Stay with our freedom in 14 days playlists. Every video builds on the last, step by step. Now, close your eyes for 3 seconds. Inhale peace, exhale strength. Perfect. You didn't just watch, you acted. You showed your body it still belongs to you because your best legs aren't behind you. They're beginning right now. See you in the next step. Keep moving, keep smiling, and remember, you've got this.